We need to turn life upside down if we want to lead happy, healthy, vibrant lives. If we look at medicine, for example, we're not treating people and getting them to health. We're just managing our sickness. We're not thriving, we're getting by. And ancient wisdom like QiGong helps us to thrive, helps us to tap into our inner power. And what we're seeking is energy. And unfortunately, where we're seeking that energy is outside of ourselves, when the energy and the magic of life is right here within us. Now, Qi is your life force energy, and we all want more energy. Not just any kind of energy, we want vibrancy and health and vitality and happiness. And when energy is moving and circulating inside, we feel better. We feel balanced in our emotions, we feel clear in our minds, we feel healthy in our bodies. You see, Gong means skill, and that's what this course is going to give you, the skill at working with life's energy. And life's energy is both within you, your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, and your body. And then how do you meet that with all the energy going on around your life? Other people, work, relationships. We got a lot of complexity in our lives. And if we have more energy and more tools and resources, we can transform stress into vitality and bring our best selves into all our activities. In this Mindvalley QiGong quest, I've designed the program to take you through a few steps. And this is unique because it's going to integrate into your daily life. Because we can take our practice and feel good doing our QiGong practice and then come into our daily lives feeling all stressed out. So what we're going to do in part one, we're going to learn about Qi. We're going to learn about energy. Not only are we going to learn about it, we're going to learn how to use it for ourselves. We're going to discover that internal energy for ourselves. We're going to learn the principles of practice. In part two, we're going to take it a little bit deeper. We're going to learn some integration, where I'm going to give you something called Qi breaks, where you get to learn how to bring QiGong into your everyday life. You're working on your computer, you feel that low energy in the afternoon. How do you bring your energy back up for mental clarity and peak performance to get you through the rest of the day? And not only get you through the day, but get you through the day efficiently and in the most enjoyable way possible. In part three, we're putting it all together. We're taking it into a more advanced practice. We're learning deeper routines. We're cultivating more energy. We're learning how the 5 elements and the 3 treasures work in QiGong practice. The 3 treasures, for example, is your mind, your emotions, your body. How do these work together? We're gonna start to integrate those aspects of ourselves for peak performance and an empowerment that we get with embodied mindfulness. I'm Lee Holden, and I'd like to invite you on this Mindvalley quest to tap into the power of your Qi.